Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of our Linux and open source update series. I'm thrilled to bring you the latest news of the open source community of the last few days. So without any delay, let's get into the details. First up, Red Hat made waves with their announcement of Nouveau, a brand new graphics driver for NVIDIA GPUs written in Rust. Red Hat's Nouveau aims to succeed the Nouveau driver, focusing exclusively on GSP firmware-based NVIDIA graphics card. What's exciting about Nouveau is that it's entirely written in Rust programming language, offering a simpler and more maintainable solution compared to its predecessor. The development team at Red Hat addressed two issues of Nouveau that led to decreasing the complexities in Nouveau. First is Nouveau's complicated architecture, and second is having a GSP-only driver so that there is no compatibility problem with pre-GSP code. But it's not just about simplicity. Red Hat aims to contribute to Rust's integration into the Linux kernel while attracting more developers to join this open source initiative. Let's hope Nouveau can be a promising replacement for Nouveau and can offer us minimal maintenance. This can improve compatibility for Linux users, especially in the gaming realm. Now, big news for Fedora fans. Fedora project has announced the release of beta version of Fedora Linux 40 that is packed with a bunch of updates. One of them includes installing PyTorch on Fedora, which has been made super easy with just using one command. This release also includes CPU support right now, but it sets the stage for future updates with support for GPUs and NPUs. Fedora IoT now uses OS/3 native containers, showcasing the next generation of operating system composition technology. And speaking of immutable OS, the Atomic Desktop brand is making a comeback, featuring desktop spins based on OS/3. Moreover, based on Linux 6.8 kernel series, Fedora Linux 40 has the brand new GNOME 46 desktop environment on Fedora Workstation version and KDE Plasma 6 on Fedora KDE Spin Edition. But that's not all. Fedora KDE Spin now has Plasma Wayland as the default session. So if you're excited to try this, mark your calendars because the final version of Fedora Linux 40 is set to release in late April or early May 2024. Till then, you can find the beta version on the official website. Just remember, it's still in beta, so expect a few bumps along the way. Next up, there is good news for digital security. Tails, a security-focused distribution, had just dropped their latest version, Tails 6.1. Tails 6.1 is here with several enhancements and bug fixes. For starters, Tor browser gets a significant upgrade to version 13.0.13 alongside Thunderbird version 115.9.0. These updates bolster your browsing and email security while ensuring a smoother experience. A major fix in this update addresses issues with onion circuits. Now it offers a smooth experience for users navigating the Tor network. Besides, Tails 6.1 also resolved the "Welcome to Tails is not responding" error message. Now watching videos on Tails just got better. It fixed the error message that popped up during playback. Moreover, installing and upgrading Tails just got even more convenient. Tails Cloner, a feature that helps installing Tails, now supports devices with multiple mounted partitions. Tails 6.1 also mitigates RFDS Intel CPU vulnerabilities. This ensures that you're protected against potential security threats. Another update is resolving the passphrase issue in persistent storage feature. Besides this, custom features in persistent storage will help users to easily manage their data from now on. So with that, we wrap up today's video on the latest Linux updates. Keep exploring the world of Linux, as there is always something new for everyone. Until then, stay tuned to our channel for more Linux content.